Yo, what's up? Chris here for a new crypto tutorial. Just real quick, because I value your time and it's precious. If you've been hacked or you just want to protect your MetaMask, there's a very simple way to do this, especially if you've given someone permission to access one of your tokens or several of your tokens. The best way by far is just by going to this website, which is bfeed.finance. So allowance.bfeed.finance. The link in the description. You'll connect your MetaMask to this website, and it will fetch absolutely all the authorizations that you've made with your MetaMask. So, for example, you can see for this token, I've authorized this spender for an unlimited amount. So, if I wanted to suppress that right, I could click on Revoke here, and then I would have give your permission to access your specs. So that's actually, when I granted SafeLaunch.io the right to access my specs tokens on my MetaMask. So if I was to click on confirm here, it would revoke this right. Well, let's do this actually. Let's click on revoke right here. Confirm. Yeah, I just paid 10 cents to show you how. I know I'm generous. Don't thank me. And then, of course, it will take a few seconds just for the time of processing the transaction. And once it's done, so keep an eye on this one, 0x53, ta-da, it's gone. So yeah, that's basically it. The best way is actually to click revoke all. It will absolutely revoke all the permissions that you've granted on to your MetaMask. So yeah, do this right away. If you're not quite sure which website you visited, and the rights you're given to any of these websites, just click the revoke all button right away. It will protect your MetaMask, and think of doing this very often just to make sure that you're safe. The best way is always to have only what you need on your MetaMask and to keep all your funds on a centralized exchange like Binance, for example. So if you only need like 100 BUSD to perform your future transaction, just send your 100 BUSDs to your MetaMask and keep the rest on your Binance account. This is by far the most the safest way to secure your funds. You can also create one MetaMask wallet per project. This way, you know exactly which wallet is going to have which tokens, and you're not going to spend money with these wallets, but only with one of them. So there are ways to secure your accounts, but if you've been hacked or you've given permissions to dodgy websites, just click the revoke all button right away. That's all for this video. If you've learned something today, just click, please, the like button. It will help me a lot. Spread the good word. Thank you. It won't cost you too much of your time. I can actually wait for 2 seconds right now. And that's it. I hope you press the like button. Click the link down below for your Crypto.com account. There's a limited time offer right now with $25 worth of crypto. So take it while you can. It will give you $25 and give me $25 as well. So thank you for supporting the channel. And last but not least, there's a final thing that I'd like to show you. If you're just like me and like passive income, there's this little cool app that is called Honeygain. I've given you my special link in the description. The only thing you have to do is click the link. You'll get $5 right away, and you install the app on your computer and on your phone if you want to. The more devices, the better for you. What it will do is it will share your unused bandwidth with other people. So it won't access your data. It won't access anything personal, just your bandwidth. So if you get unlimited internet, it's absolutely free to use. Just install the app on your desktop computer, on your laptop, on your smartphone. You get up to 10 devices per account. Just set it up and forget about it completely. Then you can invite friends, of course, if you like. But yeah, just set and forget. Let it go. Let it run and collect the rewards. So it's purely free money. All you have to do is click sign up with Google, create a new account, and then forget about it. That's it. That's it for this video. Thank you for supporting the channel, and take good care of yourself. See ya.